Okay, hey you guys, it's Molly. I wanted to do the preview for my live auction. So this was one of my colander pours, and that one is number 1. You'll see the price beside each one, so I'll try to go through these quickly. My prices for this auction are about 40% or 50% off from my Etsy, so that's 2. That's 3. So if you've been eyeing something, this is the time to bid on it. That was 3. This is number 4. This was done at Jerry's Artorama. It's a beautiful piece. Okay, number 5. This one has, I don't know if you can see it really well, but the gold in that one's gorgeous. So that's number 5. This is a resin piece. It's another one of my first colander pours that I did. It's gorgeous. It's all metallic. Starting bid. This was my St. Patty's Day colander pour. It's got some shimmery gold in there. And the size canvas and the type of canvas that I use is how I determined my pricing. This is one I did on a spinner, a Dutch pour on a spinner. Came out looking pretty cool. This was one I did off camera that it still needs to be varnished, but this one is absolutely stunning. I really love the look of it. And this was the other one. So that was the, so that's number 9, starting bid. Number 10, this one is gorgeous, but these two need to be varnished still. This was another one of my colander pours. I did this one at a Jerry's demo. There's number 12. This was one of my very first pieces that I did. Reminds me of a waterfall. Here's another resin piece that I did. That was a colander pour balloon smash. Starting bid there. There was my Sam June challenge, and that one. That was one of my Sheely art tries that ended up not making my fail video because I really like that one. This was one of my old school waves, no silicone, just the density of the paint. There was my, I think this was my 20,000 subscriber giveaway, but there's the starting on that one. Let me come around this way for these. Here is one of my ocean wave swipes, a smaller version. And there's starting bid on that. Let me come around on the other side. Okay, this was another Dutch pour on a spinner. I really like how that kind of fanned out, but that's done with metallics as well. This was, I'm not sure which video this was. I think that was my butterfly wings that ended up, I ended up flowing off the canvas. This was a tester of Arteza paints. Most of these are videos. That one was a rainbow Dutch pour. I have 2 rainbow Dutch pours. I love the cells in that one. The colors are so beautiful. This was there's the starting bid on this one. This was also another one of my videos where I was trying to get those pearlized cells, which I did. It's really, really cool. This right here was let's see if I can pick it up for you. It was a black Dutch pour that I did. I really like the cells that came up right there. That's with purples and metallics. This is another rainbow Dutch pour, number 25, starting bid $30. Let me see if I can get you in on the... All of these are varnished or will be varnished with high gloss varnish. Some of them are finished with resin. This one was my color challenge from Rinske to try colors that I had never used before. That's starting bid on that one. This is a 12 by 12 gallery wrapped. This one was my first try at playing with Arteza metallics and pearlescent paints. This came out really beautiful. I still need to varnish that one. That's the price on that. This was one of my first tries at the pearlescent paints. I really love how the gold came out in that one. It's just gorgeous. But that's the starting bid, number 28 on that one. All right. Number 29, this was my color art. Look at that center. Let me see if I can get it in the, oh yeah, it's gorgeous. And it shimmers iridescent with the pink colors behind it, but that's the starting bid there. This is, here's the starting bid on that one, 30 for 30. That was my folk art paint experiment. This was a while ago. It was my try at a colander pour with Northern Lights colors. Really, really love that one. The details in it are just amazing. And then, oh, did I show you the starting bid on that one? Yep. And then, there you go, 32 was a colander pour that I did at Jerry's Artorama that I kind of stretched out and wanted to try it in a circular design. I like that one. Here's my monochromatic colander pour. I really like that balloon center in that one. That's starting bid there. This one I love. The gold is so amazing, and that center, absolutely amazing. But there's the starting bid on that. This was another one from Jerry's Artorama demos. All those rainbow colors there. And that's the starting bid on that. And then this was one of my experiments for the air swipe. Those cells are so cool in there. And that's the starting bid on that. So these are the paintings that I'll have for my auction that's coming up August 11th. I will post, I think the time is, let me check. Yep, the time is 8 o'clock and Eastern Standard Time, because I'm on Florida coast, East Coast. So hopefully you guys can make it. If you've never done an auction before, I put the piece up, I set a timer for 2 minutes. People start bidding as soon as you finish, as soon as the timer finishes. Whoever bid the highest wins the piece. You give me your information. I send you an invoice, because you do have to pay for shipping, and the price that you bid, and then that's it. It's done. And then you get shipped your piece. So I hope to see everybody there. And I'm super excited. So I really wanted to give, especially my viewers, a chance to purchase some pieces at a good price, because you guys are the reason that I am continuing to do this for YouTube. You guys keep me going. So I really appreciate it. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Happy painting.